In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a virtual machine inside of AWS. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to AWS and then log into your console. Once I'm here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to open up and go up to the search bar and click in EC2 right here. Under services, it should be the first one called virtual servers in the cloud. And you'll just need to click on it like so. Once you're inside of the EC2 console dashboard, you'll need to head over to launch a virtual server and then go down to launch instance. Now once you click on that, it should probably look something like this, but getting started. If you have never created or launched an instance before, this will look something like this. Here you can just click launch without a walkthrough like so. And then from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to add in a name and tag for this specific virtual machine. So just for this tutorial, just call it test VM1 like so. And then you can also add additional tags to this specific virtual machine if you want to do that. Now from here, you'll need to head down to application and OS images. And from here, you'll need to head down to quick start and then choose the Windows option down here. Once I'm here, you'll be able to see the AMI, and here you'll just need to click the Microsoft Windows Server 2025 base right here. You can also choose any of these other ones, but the fastest one will be the newest base version, which is also a free tier available. From here, you'll need to head down to instance type, and here you'll just need to choose the T3 Micro down here because it is the fastest tier or instance type that you can choose for when you're creating a virtual machine. Once from here, you'll need to head down to key pair or the login info, and here you'll need to add in a key pair name, and here you can create a new key pair if you have never created one before. Now from here, this page should be popping up where you can add a name to this key pair, and let's just call it test key, and then you'll need to choose the key pair type and which type of file format it should be. From here, you'll simply need to click create new pair, and from here it should be downloading right there, and you'll just be able to choose it by clicking on it right there. Once from here, you'll need to go down to network settings, and from here you'll need to head down to firewall security groups. You can also edit the network subnet auto assign public IP if you want to do that, but you'll only need to change the firewall security group. And here you'll need to select existing security group, and then from here you'll need to go down to common security groups and then choose the default option down here. Down here in the configure storage, you'll just need to have this default. You can also go over to advantage and edit however you seem fit, but my recommendation is that you'll just leave this as it is. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the right hand side and go over to launch instance like so. And as you can see, launch success like so. Now from here, you'll be able to see the launch log over here, but you can also click on this right here to open up the instance that you just created. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!